Are you looking for the best linen beds? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best linen beds on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PaPaJet Queen Platform Bed Frame. The PaPaJet Queen bed offers a stylish and cozy sleeping experience with its impressive 51.2-inch high headboard, creating a feeling of comfort and shelter. The performance fabric not only enhances the bed's elegant appearance but is also waterproof and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. You can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep thanks to its quiet design, which reduces squeaks with Velcro strips and silent bars. Additionally, the sturdy construction, featuring solid wood legs and slats, ensures long-lasting stability without the need for a box spring, allowing you to rest easy. What we like: elegant high headboard, waterproof and easy to clean. Quiet design eliminates squeaks. Sturdy and durable construction. Number 2. EMA Plus Oliver Nora Wingback Bed. The EMA Plus Oliver Wingback Bed combines elegance and functionality in one stylish package. The comfortable foam padding is wrapped in premium beige faux linen, providing a cozy feel while enhancing your bedroom's aesthetic. With its sturdy engineered wood frame, you can depend on this bed for reliable support without the bulk. The design features wooden slats, which means you won't need a box spring, simplifying your setup. Plus, assembly is a breeze with all necessary tools included, and maintaining its cleanliness is easy, just vacuum or brush off dust. This makes it a practical choice for any home. What we like: elegant and stylish design. Sturdy and lightweight frame. No box spring required. Easy assembly and care. Number 3. HomeLife Premier Classics Full Bed. The HomeLife Full Platform Bed offers a stylish and practical design for your bedroom. With its full-size dimensions of 85-inch LX64W×51H, it provides ample space for restful sleep. The bed features a sturdy linen fabric with built-in slats, eliminating the need for a box spring and making setup a breeze. You will appreciate the easy assembly process, allowing you to enjoy your new bed quickly. This brand new bed comes conveniently packaged in 2 boxes, making it easier to handle and transport. What we like: stylish linen fabric. No box spring needed. Easy assembly. Convenient packaging. Ample sleeping space. Number 4. DHP Franklin Daybed Frame, Gray Linen. The DHP Franklin Daybed is designed with versatility in mind, making it a perfect fit for any room, especially smaller spaces. Its wood slat base enhances airflow, helping to keep your mattress fresher for longer while also providing the right support for your weight. Built with a sturdy metal frame, this daybed promises durability and long-lasting use. Plus, it's easy to assemble and doesn't require a box spring, saving you money and hassle. You can simply add your standard queen-size mattress for a stylish and functional sleeping solution. What we like: versatile contemporary design. Wood slat base for airflow. Sturdy metal construction. Easy assembly, no box spring. Number 5. Meridian Furniture DevinBeige-K King Bed. The Meridian Devin King Bed is designed for modern living with its spacious dimensions of 92.5 inches in width and 97 inches in depth. The headboard stands at a comfortable 45 inches, providing a perfect backdrop for your pillows and decor. The footboard and sideboards are both 11 inches high, adding a sleek touch to the overall design. The sturdy 8-inch thick side rails and footboard enhance durability, ensuring your bed remains stable and secure for years to come. This bed combines style and functionality, making it a great focal point for your bedroom. What we like: stylish modern design. Spacious dimensions. Durable construction. Comfortable headboard height.